I never had a BMX. Always wanted one.
I love
them. I've got one now. I picked it up from this charity even for things that are not like kind of bikey
and
stuff.
I had ideas for it, which
didn't happen.
but then I had another idea, and I
amazing
thought,
things really. Make it into a bench grinder.
so many
opportunities. I don't know why, but that's kind of incredible.
Yeah, and that's kind of what
I
I
did.
did.
It was inspired by my father. He's very old
yeah,
school.
this kind of cool
idea. This foot-powered
from
years
grinding
ago with my father. He's still got it. He's got this foot-powered.
Yep. So you set it up like this,
grinding wheel.
and
it always intrigued
on
me.
the
Maybe we could actually
the
do
pedal,
like
and it goes round
like a knife grinding
kind of
belt kind of grinder thing, but on a bike. And would you not know it? But a grinding belt actually
I got
fits
hold of
an
an
old BMX
bike.
bike. So it has to be a BMX. So I don't think anything else will
Who
work.
would know it?
Just,
But a
I
grinding
don't know
belt
what size the wheel is,
fits
but it seems to
onto a
fit.
BMX wheel.
And
You put it on,
you take the air out, turn the bike
put
up,
the belt on, and then you
kind of do all these bits that you're seeing. And put some really tight. I'm amazed, really. It kind of just works. A bit of welding, and then that's where the seat would be, and it goes onto the post, and kind of makes kind of like a story. And let's not make it too loud. Quite easy. It gets a bit noisy.
Yeah,
so
it spins round as you pedal down, and you just
kind of actually
pump it up and down.
But it does work. It takes a bit longer to do. I'm sure it's not the fastest.
Yeah,
It'd be
sure,
great
it's
not
not
as
as
good
good
as
as a
up. Maybe that's another project.
knife grinder.
that I could
metal
do. Oh, look there, the
grinding
brake.
belt type
I'll check the brake on this. This thing doesn't even use electricity. It's kind of free to
spin
use.
round when you
The bike came
don't
free
want
to
it
a charity. Now that gives me a really good idea. Actually, I think I'm going to donate this to the charity who gave me the bike.